Hello and welcome to this video on 5 popular passive income ideas. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for ways to earn extra cash, then you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First up is peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms, such as Lending Club or Prosper, allow you to invest in loans to individuals and earn interest on your investment. This can be a good option if you're looking for something with higher returns than traditional savings accounts but don't want to deal with the volatility of the stock market. Next on the list is rental property management. If you're not interested in dealing with the day-to-day management of a rental property, you can hire a property management company to handle it for you. This can be a good option if you have multiple properties or don't want to be tied down to one location. Third on the list is dropshipping. Dropshipping involves selling products through an online store without actually holding inventory. You can set up an e-commerce store on the Shopify.com platform and partner with a supplier who will ship products directly to your customers. This can be a good option if you're interested in e-commerce but don't want to deal with the hassle of holding inventory. Fourth on the list is royalties. If you have a talent for writing, music, or other creative pursuits, you can earn passive income by licensing your work to others. For example, you can write a book and earn royalties on sales, or license your music to TV shows or commercials. Lastly, if you have programming skills, you can create an app on a platform like Builder.ai and earn money through in-app purchases or advertising revenue. While it requires a lot of upfront work, a successful app can continue to generate income for years to come. Some cool untapped mobile applications you can build are QR code reader app, tracker app, music player app, stock trading app and job search app. There are many passive income ideas out there, but it's important to find one that fits your skills and interests. Now that we've covered some popular passive income ideas, I have listed some useful artificial intelligence resources in the pinned comment to help you complete your project faster. Let's talk about how to get started. Here are some steps you can take to start earning passive income. Research. Take the time to research using ChatGPT for passive income ideas that you're interested in. Then look for success stories, potential pitfalls, and any legal or financial considerations. Set goals. Determine how much passive income you want to earn using Wishboard or Mindmap and set realistic goals for achieving that income. Remember that passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme and it may take time and effort to build. Take action. Once you've done your research and set your goals, it's time to take action. Whether it's creating an ebook, developing a mobile app, or setting up a dropshipping store, take the first step towards building your passive income stream. Evaluate and adjust. As you start earning passive income, be sure to evaluate your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. You may need to try different approaches or pivot to a different idea altogether. Be patient. Finally, remember that building a passive income stream takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep working towards your goals and the results will come. In conclusion, earning passive income is a great way to supplement your income or even achieve financial independence. While there are many passive income ideas out there, it's important to do your research, set realistic goals, and take action. By following these steps and staying patient, you can build a successful passive income stream and achieve your financial goals. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.